My name is Sachika.
My name is Sanvi.
My name is Shweta.
I am studying LKG. Our school name is Saint Philomena High School, Ichandapura. Rivers of India. Babapuka, Ganga, Babavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahadi, Periyas, Tamavadi, Vaigai, Yamuna.
Planets in solar system.
Planets in solar system. Mercury, Mars, Venus, Jupiter, Earth, Saturn, Neptune, Uranus.
Four Vedas.
Vedas, Yugveda, Yajurveda, Samarveda, Atharvaveda Veda,
Dashavatara Lord Vishnu.
Dashwantara of Vishnu, Matsya, Kurma, Vanaha, Nasimha, Vavana, Peshurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kaleke.
State and capital.
States and capital: Andhra Pradesh, Shamlode, Andhra Pradesh, Shitanagar, Assam, Deshpur, Bihar, Patna, Jiska, Raipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Madhya Pradesh, Shimla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kerala, Timapuram, Andhra Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Impal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Naiswal, Nagaland, Kohima, Orissa, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Rajasthan, Raipur, Sikkim, Gangtok, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Dakana, Uttarakhand, Dehradun, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Kashmir, Kolkata.
Neighboring countries of India.
Neighboring countries of India: Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
Neighboring state of Karnataka.
Neighboring states of Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Goa,
Kerala.
Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Chhattisgarh.
5 oceans.
5 oceans: Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Central Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean.
7 continents of the world.
7 continents of the world: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
Jnanapita Awards winner from Karnataka.
Jnanapita Award winners of Karnataka: Kuyampu, Darabangi, Shuram Karam, Mastu Shankar, V.K. Gokar.
of India.
Pioneers of India. Jawaharlal Gujarananda Ramaur Shastri Indira Gandhi Morarji Desai Charan Singh Rajiv Gandhi Vishwanath Pratap Singh Chandrasekhar P.V. Nasim Rao Atal Bihari Vajpayee H.D. Devegowda Inda Kumar Gujjarrao Manmohan Singh Narendra Modi.
Chief Ministers of Karnataka.
Chief Ministers of Karnataka Changaraya Reddy Changamataya Kadyaramajappa S.B.G. Appa B.D. Jatti S.I. Vanti Virendra Patel Didar Arsa R. Gundurao Ramakrisha Hedde S.I. Bombay Mangarappa Emirappa Mole H.D. Devegowda Didar Patel S.M. Krishna Manmohan Singh Sadaragowda Jagdish Shettar Siddaramaiah H.D. Kumaraswamy B.S. Yediyurappa Basalraj Bombay Siddaramaiah.
President of India.
President of India Rajendra Prasad Sarvepalli Radhakrishna Zakir Hussain B.V. Giri B.D. Jatti Neelam Sanju Reddy Shankar Sharma Ramaswamy Venkataraman K.R. Narayan A.P.J. Abdul Kalam Pratibha Patil Pranab Mukherjee Ramnath Kovind Ganpati Murmu.
Official languages of India.
Official languages of India Assami Bengali Bodo Dongri Gujarati Hindi Kannada Kashmiri Konkani Malayalam Marathi Maithili Manipuri Nepali Oriya Punjabi Sanskrit Santali Sindhi Tamil Telugu Urdu.
30 districts in Karnataka.
30 districts in Karnataka Bagalkot Bellary Bidar Bengaluru Rural Bengaluru North Belagavi Chamnagar Chikballapur Chikkaduga Dashikarma Davangere Dharwad Kodan Hassan Saveri Kalburgi Kodagu Kolan Koppal Mandya Mysore Nagara Raichur Shimoga Tumkur Udupi Uttarakhand Vijaypur Radgiri.
7 colors in rainbow.
7 colors in mango violet indigo blue green yellow orange red.
Names of Rutus.
Names of Kutush Vashantarto Kishwarto Vasharto Sharyarto Pebatarto Shushilarto Indulamas Indulamas Chaitra Vashanka Jesha Ashana Shavana Adubara Ashwina Kartika Madeshwara Bosha Manga Faguna.
Major cities in India.
Major cities in India New Delhi Mumbai Kolkata Chennai Bangalore Hyderabad Ahmedabad Pune Surat Jaipur.
Borders of India.
Borders of India North Himalayas South Ocean East Bay of Bengal West Arabian Sea.
Kings of Karnataka.
Kings of Karnataka Pulkeshin Krishnadevaraya Krishnavarma Mauryavarma Amagavarcha Madakali Nayaka Kitturani Channama Galka Bukka Jayachamaraja Vadya Kempegowda.
Epics of India.
Epics of India Ramana and Martha Jhanshila Neelakshmibai.
Religions of India.
Religions of India. Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, Parsing.
10 Mukhya Upanishad.
10 Mukhya Upanishad, Ishavashopanishad, Tenopanishad, Kathopanishad, Pradhanopanishad, Mandukyopanishad, Daitanyopanishad, Mandukyopanishad, Aitanya-upanishad, Chalukya-upanishad, Daitanyopanishad, 18 Puranas, Vishnu Purana, Matsya Purana, Bhavishya Purana, Brahma Purana, Garuda Purana, Vara Purana, Ramadha Purana, Agni Purana, Ramadha Purana, Shiva Purana, Brahmanatha Purana, Karma Purana, Linga Purana, Vai Purana, Ramadha Purana, Brahma Vairana Purana, Padma Purana.
Ishika, you also said. Most popular international airport.
Most popular airport. Indira Gandhi Airport, New Delhi. Rajiv Gandhi Airport, Hyderabad. Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport, Mumbai. Chennai Airport, Chennai. Kempegowda Airport, Bangalore.
9 Union territories.
9 Union territories. New Delhi, Chandigarh, Namanadiv, Nagladevari, Pondicherry, Daman Nicobar Island, Lakshadweep, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh.
7 wonders of the world.
7 wonders of the world. A for China, Machu Picchu, Taj Mahal, Destroyed, Colosseum, Pestudojan, Chichen Itza.
Indian dynastics.
Indian dynasty, Chalukya dynasty, Chola dynasty, Vaisala dynasty, Maurya dynasty, Pallava dynasty, Gupta dynasty, Rashtrakuta dynasty, Mughal dynasty, Vijayanagara dynasty, Vardhana dynasty.
5 sense organs.
5 sense organs: eyes, nose, ear, tongue, skin.
Top 10 Indian scientists.
Top 10 Indian scientists: Srinivas Ramanujam, C.V. Raman, Homi Bhabha, Jagdish Chandra Bose, Narayana Saha, M. Vishweshwarya, Jagdish Chandra Bose, Sukhmani Samsai, Vikram Sarabhai, Anu Ghodkar, APJ Abdul Kalam.
Fundamental rights of India.
Fundamental rights of India: rights to equality, rights to freedom, rights to exploitation, rights to freedom of cultural education, rights to cultures and remedies.
Genders.
Gender: masculine, feminine,
Male,
female,
boy,
girl,
brother,
sister,
father,
mother,
grandfather,
grandmother,
son,
doctor,
daddy,
mummy,
papa,
mama,
uncle,
aunt,
gentleman,
lady,
husband,
wife,
man,
woman,
sir,
madam,
bull,
cow,
cock,
can,
dog,
bitch,
lion,
lotus.
ಲಿಂಗಗಳು.
ಲಿಂಗಗಳು: ಪುಳಿಂಗ, ಶಿಲಿಂಗ, ಗಂಡು, ಹೆಣ್ಣು, ಹುಡುಗ, ಹುಡುಗಿ, ಅಣ್ಣ, ಅಕ್ಕ, ತಂದೆ, ತಾಯಿ, ಅಜ್ಜ, ಅಜ್ಜಿ, ಮಗ, ಅಪ್ಪ, ಅವ್ವ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಮ್ಮ, ರಾಸ್ತ, ರೈಡಿ, ಗಂಡ, ಹೆಂಡತಿ, ಪುರುಷ, ಮಳೆ, ಸೋದರ, ಸೊಸೆ, ಸರ್, ಮೇಟ, ಬೂಳಿ, ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ಹುಂಜ, ಕೋಳಿ, ಗಂಡು ನಾಯಿ, ಹೆಣ್ಣು ನಾಯಿ, ಗಂಡು ಸಿಂಹ, ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಸಿಂಹ.
Countries and capitals.
Countries and capital: Afghanistan, Kabul, Argentina, Buenos Aires, Helsinki, America, Egypt, Cairo, Finland, Helsinki, France, Paris, Germany, Berlin, Nice, Athens, Hungary, Budapest,
India.
New Delhi, India, Sofia, Jakarta, Iran, Thial, Hira, Bakhta, Ireland, Dublin, Istanbul, Italy, Rome,
Japan, Tokyo.
Japan, Tokyo,
National symbols.
NASA, Simbo,
Father of the nation.
Mahatma Gandhi,
National anthem.
Mala,
National song.
Vande Mataram,
National emblem.
Lion Capital,
National flag.
Sikh Reference,